Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, you can watch till the end, guys. And I have this card, the Oracle Guidance card for you. So that is a general guidance, and you can watch that card for more clarity, guys. So let's start with these cards first. So we have Emperor in reverse, Page of Swords, and Knight, King of Pentacles in reverse. So Aquarius, in your situation, guys, you are someone really kind and compassionate. So even to the people who oppose you or who work against you, you are kind, very friendly, and they may simply doubt whether they are your enemy or your friend. So your kindness overwhelms the people around you, and that is the reason people look up to you for support, and they love being with you. They love your company, guys. And maybe today in your situation, there is a person, or it may be your energy. So people around you, they are not like you. They are not dedicated to their work, or they are not concentrating enough. So some kind of stress, it may be because of that on you. It's causing a lot of stress for you, because they are not working with the same kind of potential like you. So you may see some difficulties in your work situation because of that, guys. Or for some of you in this relationship, maybe this person you love, they are suffering from some illness or weakness. It may be some bad habits or addictions they have. So something is bothering you or stressing you today. You are doing everything to help this person, but they are not trying to change themselves, and they are whatever you do, they are just like that, and your efforts are going for a waste, guys. And maybe today in your situation, you are trying to find out the reason for this person's behavior, or certain things in your work situation, something is not clear. You want to find out more about some decisions, something you need to do, something you need to make today, guys, something important maybe. So you are in the dark, you have a lot of confusions, you want clarity. So maybe you are gathering information from the people around you, or it may be a situation in your work, or it may be a situation in this relationship. Maybe you are trying to find out more about this person. You are speaking to their friends or family members, trying to gather information about this person, because they are quite confusing. You are unable to understand what is there in their mind and what is the reason for these problems. So maybe for some of you, you are even spying on this person, guys, trying to find out more about them, or it may be their energy towards you. So they are trying to find out about you, or you are trying to find more about them. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the Oracle guidance for you all today, guys. It's the Nixie of Mill Pond. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe today you are trying to avoid some emotional situation, guys. You are running away from it. Maybe running away from a situation or a person, because you feel that you cannot handle those emotions and you don't want to face that situation. But you need to understand that once you face that situation, you will overcome the fear that you have for facing that situation, and you will move on from this, from these emotions, and you will move on from this situation, guys. So simply avoiding is not going to end the sadness or fear whatever you have, guys. And you can never avoid that true people, true family you have. So if you want a meaningful bond with someone, you need to face your fears, guys, today, Aquarius. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, Aquarius. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.